Welcome back to the M&M Sisters. Today we're going to be opening Mariah Elizabeth mini mystery dessert plushies.
What's inside?
So, you got two. Put yours down. Let's see. So, there is how many you can collect? Let's see. There's about 9 that you can collect, and these are the ones you can collect.
2, 4, 8.
Comment down below which one you think she's going to get. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now I'm going to open it. Okay, so I got that little plastic off. Okay. Kind of just took off the price tag. Okay, I got all of that. Anyway.
I want which one do you want? I want this one or that one?
I want that one or
I can't remember the names. Usually
one.
I know that name, the names.
Anyway, I'm gonna open it. So
I want all of them.
me too. It's so hard to open. I saw it. Fur. Saw fur.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay.
Oh, it's so cute.
So I got that one. Let's see what the name is. So the name is Shelly.
Shelly.
So here's the thing. There's Gorgie, Shelly.
There's 9 of them.
Yeah.
I want Georgie. I think that's his name. Or anything that my sister has not gotten.
I want Esther. Estrus.
Pickle also seems nice. I want all of them. These seem so cute.
I like
Okay.
Shelly.
So, this is what she got. So cute. I love it. Okay, time to open mine. Wait, you can turn it. Okay, so, time to open mine. Okay, so. I have to find a spot to rip it off from. Okay, I wonder which one I'm gonna get. Let's hope I really wish the one I want. Okay.
Which one do you want?
There's so many I want, literally. I want any of them except
3 plus.
that one, I think. Okay.
I thought it was going to be the one I think.
Okay, ready? 3, 2,
2,
1. Boo! Wait, before I open it, you guys have to like and subscribe and comment down below which one you think I will get.
And
3,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And time to open it.
Oh, okay, that doesn't go as well.
That is so cute.
You're so lucky.
It's a little bunny.
I love bunnies.
It's so cute and fluffy. I love the drizzle and all the little sprinkles. That's really cute. Open plastic side. So I got Mila. Ooh, I like that. And my sister got Shelly. Okay, that's really cute. So I'm really happy with what I got. It's actually really cute.
Meow.
Okay, make sure to like and subscribe.
Meow.